Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to unhide a contact in Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. This will bring up a sliding menu with different options. Next, look for the settings icon at the top right of the menu and tap on it. Now, you're on your Messenger profile page. Scroll down to the Preferences section and tap on Privacy and Safety. On the next screen, you'll see several settings options. Under the Safety and Well-being section, tap on Hidden Contacts. Here, you'll find the list of hidden contacts. To unhide someone, just tap the Unhide button next to their name. You can repeat these steps to unhide more contacts one by one. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips.